Is intelligent process automation just another fad? Let's unpack this and look at what you can expect from IPA. IPA integrates systems without the need to develop custom integrations, or what we call APIs. You'll immediately see significantly improved processes, achieve much more in less time, and eliminate repetitive manual tasks. You'll also notice a marked increase in productivity, and your team will be empowered to focus on value-adding activities. And as you're removing the risk of human error, your department will enjoy much improved data quality. The increased consistency and accuracy mean no more stress about compliance and auditability. Even your brand's reputation stands to benefit. Not only will your customers be happier, but your business will also be safer in so many ways. All of this boils down to three significant advantages: saving costs and time while increasing throughput, plus happier employees because they spend their time and their brain power on what matters, value-added work. The net result? A happy team and a healthy bottom line.